As a full-service company, Big John's is a one-stop shop for both tree and stump removal. There is no tree too large or small for Big John's to remove. Everyone in our team is constantly learning the best practices and techniques using our high-end machinery. Big John's offers cleanup service with all jobs, and our estimates are always free. Big John's tree service is fully insured and gladly provides proof of insurance and references upon request. Call us today at 601-941-7773.